Hello student, now we are in the next question of class 8 exercise 2.2. Question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3 if they differ by 18. Means if the difference between two numbers is 18, what are these number? So here we write down, let the numbers be. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. So here in the information we have the two numbers. Okay, what are these numbers? Means two numbers are there and their ratio is 5:3. So we are assuming let the number be 5x and 3x, and if they differ by 18. They differ means their difference is given. So here they differ by 18. It means 5x minus 3x equals to 18. Because whenever we do the difference, we do the subtraction. So we have done subtraction and their difference is 18. So it means 2x equals to 18 and x equals to 18 by 2. We are shifting the number, so it will be in division. So x equals to 9. This is the actual answer. So the number will be, you can say, first number is. So first number that we assume, their numbers are 5x and 3x. So first number is, and the second number, at a time I am writing, second number is. They are in the 5x and 3x, so that is the ratio. So 5x equals to, means it is 5 into 9, 45. Second number is 3 into 9, 27. So what are the number? Again we can write, numbers are 45 and 27. Going for the next one. So the next question is 6. Question number 6. 3 consecutive integer add up to 51. What are these integer? So first you should understand the concept of 3 consecutive integer. Suppose we assume number 2, 3, 4. So here the first integer is 2. If you add 1, it will become 3. If you add 1, it will become 4. So this is known as, it is in sequence. That is what consecutive integer. So here they are asking what are these integers. So we assume, suppose first integer is x. So what will be the next? Definitely x plus 1, because here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So second integer is x plus 1. Third integer is x. Now it is x plus 2, because x plus 1 plus 1. So it will be x plus 2. So here x plus 1, then x plus 2, then x plus 3. Because again if you see 2. So it is 2 plus 1 means 3. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. So in this way our equation, our expression is forming x plus 1, then x plus 2, x plus 3, like that. Because here 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 2 plus 3 will be 5, like that. So I hope you understood this concept. And now what they have given, 3 consecutive integer add up to 51, means their addition is 51. Simply x is the first one, then x plus 1 is the second one, plus x plus 2 is the third one. So it is what? 51. So 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 3 equal to 51. So here 3x equals to 51 minus 3. It means 3x equals to 48. Then you write x equals to 48 upon 3. Finally you can divide this number by 3. 3 ones are 3 here. 3 you can cut, means both the number by 3 also. So here 3 ones are 3, here 1 will be there. Then here 3 ones are 1. Finally remainder will be 18. So 3 6 are 18. So it means x equal to 16, or in this case you can directly divide 48 by 3 if you are having the confusion. So here 3 ones are 3, so here 1 8, 3 6 are 18. So in this way also you can do this. So finally x equal to 16, it means first number is 16. Then what about the second? Second is what? X plus 1 equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Then third number is, so what about the third number? X plus 2. So x plus 2 means 16 plus 2, so it is 18. So finally they are asking what are these integers. So these integers are 16, 17 and 18. Finally our answer is over. So after this we will go to the next question. So the next question is question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiple of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So as you know the multiplication table of 8. So we assume first one is 8. So next one is 16. After that it is 24. So this is what consecutive multiples of 8. Consecutive means in sequential order, one after another. So you see 8 is as it is 8 plus 8, then 60 will come, then 8 plus 8 plus 8, so 24 will be there. So that 8 plus 8 plus 8, it is nothing but 8 plus 16. So that is what this logic will be applied here. So here we assume, here they are asking find the multiples. So here we assume let 3 consecutive multiple are. So first one you have to assume 8x, and then you write 8x plus 8. So the next one will come. Then 8x plus 16. So the third one will come. So in this way you have to write their consecutive multiples. So we are assuming this, and after that sum of 3 consecutive multiples. So sum means 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 equal to 888. So that sum will be 880m. So we have to find now multiples. So we have formed here equation, that is very important. So here 8x, 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 it is 3 times, so it is 24x plus, so here 8 plus 16, so it is 24 equals to 3 times 8. Then here 24x equals to, you have to write that here the number will change the side, so it is minus 24. So you do calculation, 3 times 8 minus 24, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 as it is. So finally here we got 864, and here it is 24x is there. So what you do now here, x equals to 864 divided by 24. So you divide this number now, divided by 24. So we try with 24 into 3. So 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 1 7. So here you write 3, and downside it is 72. 6 minus 2 is 4, and here 8 minus 7 is 1. Take upside 4, and here I want to try with 6. 6 into 4 24, 6 into 2 12 plus 2, so it is 144 coming, and finally here you have to write 6. Subtract that number, remainder will be 0. So here x equal to 36. This is our answer of solution of x. Now here these three numbers are nothing but three consecutive integers are, first is 8x. Now here I am writing in short. Second is 8x plus 8. Third one was 8x plus 16. So you simply put the values there. So here first means, now here in this side we will do the calculation. 8x means what is the value of x? 36. So 36 into 8, this calculation you have to do. So here it is 48, then 8 into 3 is 24 plus 4, so it is 288. So first one we got. Then the next one is, here again it is 8x, so here you write as it is because we already calculated. Here also we already calculated, but here it is plus 8 and here it is plus 16, so that your calculation will be easy. So finally it is 288 plus 8, 8 8 16, 8 plus 1 9, 296. And what about the third one? So here third one is 288 plus 16, so it is 14, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, so it is 304. So finally you can write consecutive. They are asking find the multiples. Okay, the sum of three consecutive multiple is, so find the multiple. So you can write here multiples are, what are the multiples? 288, 296, 304. So these are the multiples. So this is your answer. So I hope you understood this answer. Now after that we will go to the next question. So our next question is question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by particular number they have given respectively, they add up to 74. Find this number. So first you should understand consecutive integer. Suppose we assume here 2, 3, 4, these are the consecutive integer, one after another. How 3 will come? If you do 2 plus 1, 3 will come. Again if you do 2 plus 2, 4 will come. And they are consecutive because 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So they are the consecutive. And if you consider first 2, then 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 is 4. So here three consecutive integer that we will assume when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4, you have to multiply this with this number and you have to do add up to 74, and finally you do their addition and it will come 74. So find this number. So at the last we have to find the number. So here three consecutive integer. So we write here let three consecutive integers. So here let three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So here we start from here. Let three consecutive integers are this one that we assume. Now they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So multiply means here you write 3 consecutive integers are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. So the first is what? It is x. So 2 into x is 2x, and second is what? It is x plus 1. So 3 into x plus 1 because second is 3. Then third is third number is what? 2, 3 and then 4. So 4x plus 2. So 2x means as it is. So here this can be written as 3x plus 3 and it is 4x plus 8. Okay, so finally we got their multiplication and then they add up to 74. You have to do their addition, like 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equal to 74. Their addition quite simple, 3, 2 and here 4. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So it is 9x plus remaining integers value 8, 8 plus 3, that you have to calculate. Only two numbers are there. We already solved 1, 2, 3. So it is 11 equal to 74. So it is 9x equal to 74 minus 11, that you have to calculate. So 9x equals to 4 minus 1, 3 and here 7 minus 1, 6. So it is 63. Finally you have to write x equal to 63 divided by 9. So here you have to divide this number by 9 as it is divisible by 9. So it is 7. So our answer is 7. So finally here you have to write this number. So this value of x you have to put into that integer because they are asking the numbers. So you can say here first number. They are asking only numbers. First number is, so we assume 3 consecutive integer x, x plus 1, x plus 2. First number is x is nothing but 7. Then second number. Second number is x plus 1. It is 8. Then here third number is x plus 2 means it is 9. X plus 2 it is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So these numbers finally you can write. Numbers are 7, 8 and 9. So here our answer is over. So I hope friend you understood the answers of this question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.